we getting Night Rain today, Lewis?
I might get it today.
You should, because I am about to buy it, like right now.
I'll buy it in a bit. I'm playing Marvel Rivals with Fernando.
Yeah.
Oh,
Field grease boosts guard ability and all damage negation.
Right on a church.
Hell yeah.
More churches, and then we just head straight to castle because we're pros and don't need to level up at all.
just find another tree sentinel and spend the rest of first day fighting him.
Not again, please.
Yeah, seems like a plan to me.
Hey, not again. No, wait, please. No. No.
Let's see.
Panda, you should grab one of
Rejection.
these. There's...
Rejection.
Oh. There's a-
Why are you grabbing them, Lewis? You don't need them.
I'll use them anyways.
Yeah, but you're not gonna use them well. That's the thing. You're just
Oh,
using
oh, oh.
mana that...
Oh my god, look, let's fight this guy.
Lewis, what are you finding?
I tickled him. I gave him a little nip like a mosquito.
I'll get them from up here, guys. Don't worry.
Oh, I forgot you were the not the sem, the archer. You fool!
I'm sure we could technically beat him, but
Yeah, no, we should probably go level up to speed this up. Come on, Fernando, let's get out of here before he completely demolishes us in one hit.
I'm stuck. I'm good. I'm
let's
good.
go, Fernando. He's
I'm
going
good.
to tickle you, Fernando. He likes
No!
tickling.
No!
Thing, Fernando.
Who's damaging it right now?
Poison.
Oh, do you have poison?
I have upgrade that puts poison on my weapon when I start, but
That's cool.
oh, it's normal tree sentinel for the top one. Okay, and it's giants.
Okay, well.
I hate giants. Ow.
Oh, Daniel!
One of the pots. I didn't like them.
I can't take it anymore. Ah, oh, help! Okay, yeah, no, I gotta take the long way back. I'll be there in a minute.
Guess we have to kill that giant that's throwing pots at us.
Well, I
Yes,
think we
but
can
then
kill
another-
this one first, because then this one will just throw
Yeah.
pots at us.
Yeah, then another giant will start throwing pots. It's an endless cycle,
They have a perfect like 4-man going on right now.
which means you can spend more time dying.
I mean, we're not
Better.
dying.
Fernando, get Daniel. We did it. Oh my god. Alright, we did it.
Oh, another pot!
Either these giants drop the best weapons or the absolute worst, most dog shit piece of fucking Raisin Bran.
I like
From
Raisin
Goodwill. Fucking.
Hiya! Oh, yes. Get it. Get it. Get him! Kill him already! Do you not realize what he's done?
Oh, jar cannon. You know,
Yeah, that's
that'll
what I
really-
risked my life for.
That'll really help me. We all risk our lives every time we pick up our blades. You don't see us complaining, Lewis.
Well, I don't have a blade, so...
Yeah, you do. Your brain. Be the blade. Papa?
I was gonna die anyways. The pot man. The pot man.
Are you serious?
The
The pot
strikes.
man.
No, the pot man strikes again.
Fuck, he just completely ignored you guys and just threw a pot straight at me.
Oh, Lewis!
Ah!
Stepping on me would have been a little less like aggressive than fucking
I
throwing
have.
a pot at me,
That's
man.
not Lewis!
He has a switch on these pots, man. They just keep
He's throwing
going.
another one! Look out!
He's throwing too many pots. He doesn't have that many pots.
Where's
He
He
doesn't
shouldn't
have
have
that
this
many
many
pockets.
pots.
There's no way.
I don't care how big of a giant he is. I don't know. Definitely not fitting all those pots in his
I don't
pockets.
care how big of a giant he is. He does not have many that, and he does not have fucking space for that many giant pots. He can't. Not even with Toon space. Fucking Hammer Force, Hammer Space, I think. That's what it's called, Hammer.
This guy have my ruins?
What? You don't want to share your number with Daniel?
No.
What's my name? You can't say my name.
Oh,
Address
sorry,
me
Danny.
as my username.
Danny?
Yes.
Fuck you.
That's why you can't.
Fire Yeti 52. Why are you so mean right now?
now?
Say it like that. Shut up.
Stop it. You're being mean.
Say watch out, Lewis. Oh, bitch.
He went. Oh my god, dude, that spirit fire really gets you.
Get me down. Like, can I get just another day? Just another day, please. Oh, you're a bitch. Lewis comes in flying. He doesn't jump. He flies in.
I gotta get my hit in somehow.
Ow.
We have to
Got
somehow. No, I need to heal. We gotta somehow move the fight like a little bit to the right.
So start running.
Ah, spirit fire. I wasn't even in it. Banana. I mean, fire
Right
Yeti
here,
52.
right here, right here.
Oh, fire Yeti 52 save me. Well, we got it really low, so we'll be chilling next game.
Why are we fighting this thing right before night? I only have one heal.
Same.
We have Smelter Demon too. You know how annoying Smelter Demon is? Well, I mean, I'm long range, so
I'm not. I'm gonna have to deal with all that. Yeah, the deer's eyeing us. The deer wants to fight us right now.
hey, he's waiting for the 1v1 to be like finished.
The 1v3. I feel like that's one attack should be. Ew, I've never seen its face up close. It looks disgusting.
Never seen its face up close. It looks disgusting.
Yeah, you just repeated it and you repeated me word for word.
I just completed it completely word for word.
Is this a new rage bait method?
Is it working?
Not really.
Oh
I mean,
no.
what's easy?
Duh, silly. It's only rage bait if you want it to be.
Man, he
Yeah.
flew in swinging.
Yeah, you guys got that. I'm just gonna like whittle him down. Guys, the whittler over here is getting whittled. Help me!
No, he got this.
You got this, champ. I believe in you.
Help! Help! They found us! They found us!
Us.
They found us! Why are you using fire spells, Fernando? Do
feel
you
like
not
this
see
guy's
he's
pretty
actually
fireproof.
on fire? I don't
Well,
think
what if-
more.
I don't know. You never know. What if he's really scared of fire, but he doesn't know he's on fire?
I'm sorry,
he
but I
was
don't
on
exactly
fire.
have a lot of different spells.
Get him, Lewis! Get him!
Oh wait, I forgot I do have this. That's kind of
More fire.
That's just different type of fire.
Yes, it's more potent. It's a black fire from the gods themselves, as they say.
It's not what they say.
I don't know what they say. Isn't that like one of the god seals things that Fernando's using? I mean, fire.
Are you thinking of
No,
Amaterasu?
about the fire
Fire,
852,
fire.
please.
But we can't be doxing you.
You already know I don't give a shit.
I don't know.
Fernando, you're a little close. You're burning up right now. Lewis, you're a little close. You're kind of burning up right now. I'm a little close.
I just piggybacked off of Fernando's heal. Yeah, get out of here, big old dum dum.
Oh, that really showed them.
Yes, we're gonna deal more fire damage to the fireman. Ah! Ah!
Dagger.
He's almost done. He's almost done. Hurry up!
Yippee! What you just saw was Elden Ring Night Pain. Does anyone have poison or scarlet rot stuff? No? Okay.
Yeah, I was about to say no. No, I do not.
Let's go kill that deer.
Let's go kill that dude.
Get to back here, dear.
Oh dear me. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Let me type oh dear in my shiny keyboard.
Finding any excuse to use it.
Ah, get me.
Oh, whoops. Get back here! Oh, whoops.
Oh, so easy.
Didn't even struggle to one bit.
Thank you.
Oh,
Lewis.
shit. Thought was gonna do something else. Got him, Fernando. Now get me.
He's just camping you.
Help.
You're like on top of him.
Help. Stop it, evil world. Actually, I don't know if this guy's evil.
He's evil to us.
He's not evil. Like, he's not, like, killing you just to kill you. He's supposed to be the guard dog of Ronnie.
I guess he's just doing his job.
He's just doing his job, but it doesn't make sense why he's here doing his
Lewis?
job. Did anybody get the thing?
Got a smoldering
Oh.
shield.
More shields.
That's all I got. And you can have that, Lewis. It's a fire
Thank you.
shield.
Yeah, you know what, Fernando? You can have this.
Ooh.
Oh, smithing stone too. W. Is that a bow? It is a bow.
Now he's got a million subscribers.
Now he's
See how
got
quickly the downfall was?
He's got a billion subscribers.
How the hell do you guys get up there?
Jump.
Or are you healing? Thank you, Fernando.
I'm not doing anything. I'm trying to get up on the wall.
Thank you, Fernando. Thank you, Lewis.
How did you guys get up there?
Yeah, climb, Fernando, climb.
I'm trying. It's not working. Oh, wait. No, I'm taking the stairs.
Yeah, after this, you're gonna practice it.
No.
Dude, you would have been here 30 minutes ago if you'd used that little short.
Ah. Oh!
I told you, man, you gotta stop doing. Ah!
I'll get Lewis.
How dare you? That's so mean of you.
Oh, nice pump fake.
Oh shit, legendary.
And I got
I mean,
moved.
oh frick. You can do this, gang.
Okay.
Let's go. Oh, this guy again.
Yes, you never did manage to beat him, so we're back at it again. Yes, he's a tree. He's susceptible to fire.
You absolute fucking. You're gonna say watch out, Lewis?
I had my shield up. Hiya!
I'll get Fernando.
Watch out! Watch out!
Thank you.
Just kill him. Just kill him, Fernando. I'm in fire to do.
Shut up.
I gotta stop doxing you, man. I got it.
Fire Yeti 52. Black bow! Black bow! Second. I'm here though.
Yeah, you sure?
Yeah, let's go.
Why do I hear
Are you
myself?
sure?
Why do you hear yourself? Probably because you're speaking on my speakers. No.
Yeah, I was about to say that Daniel uses speakers.
I can use my headphones, but it's not as comfortable as yours is. What the fuck? Fernando!
Yeah.
Why is it attacking me?
I don't know. It's ignoring me.
I see that.
After a long journey of fighting whatever, mystic tree monsters, the dragon, we finally made it to the final boss. Did we win it?
Oh, come on! All these attacks are missing, and the damn space lasers. Go! One more to the left tap. Oh, no! No! Ah! They're just.
Amazing
They're just.
defense, though. You can't lie.
The
Sure,
defense is.
why
Ah! God!
Yeah, I
Their
saw his little
textures
toesy
are
went up.
horrible.
I saw that his toesy went up, so.
No, we didn't even get close. We got our asses whooped. But we tried again.
All right, guys. What's the duty here? What's the plan?
Lewis,
Aim
you
for the
attack
moth.
the moth.
You aim for the.
Frederick. Oh, I'm lagging. Frederick, we can't damage them. Stop attacking.
We can damage them. See?
Not the
Yeah,
not
she's
the
very
mob.
little.
You can damage the mob.
You can damage the big guy.
Can someone hit me real quick? I got the poison by then.
Oh, sure.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Oh, never mind. I did not got you. You might
Thanks,
as well
man.
move.
Can you hit me real quick? Just there you go. Thank you. You're a little short there, so it's probably hard to reach.
Yeah. So it's my bad, my bad. Ow! Oh! Ow! 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 Hey, look. Sebastian, challenge to a screaming off. Let's go. He killed
Scream off.
Sebastian immediately. No, Sebastian's back. He's screaming. Let's go.
Focus moth for half a second. It's close to the ground, so maybe I can hit it with one of these.
Ah!
Watch out.
He's coming to
I'm
the
down.
moth's rescue. I'm gonna go. I'll try to. Actually, no, you got that.
Thank you.
Oh, fuck ass moth.
I shouldn't be fighting this guy.
Sebastian, aid me in this fight.
Sebastian, help.
Get out of its damn shell.
Can someone hit me? I got poisoned again.
Where are you?
Like right here. Just a little bit. Thank you.
It's an accident. He killed you.
Daniel, let me get your damn poison thing.
I got it.
I didn't even realize that there was a poison there.
Didn't do any damage.
Helen? Helen, help us out here. I don't know exactly what you're supposed to do, Helen, but help us. Okay?
Oh my god, Helen! Helen! Helen!
Fuck it, I'm fucking this now.
Oh, I'm back, baby.
We're immortal. Attack it.
You guys are, I'm not.
You should be since you got res.
Nope. No, I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just a regular wee lad.
A regular wee lad who
Can I
fights.
please lock onto the mob? My attacks are basically
No,
little
you should.
tickles to the big guy.
Fire
Please, moth? Can I just lock onto the moth and not one of
Yeah,
this
I know,
guy's
but-
fucking lights? Yeah, whatever. There we go.
pot. Ow. Back up for a second. Frederick. Oh, okay. Ow!
Yes! Get it!
Hit
Hit it, Daniel.
Get it.
Ow! Oh, shit. Alright, I'm out of blast. We have fireball now.
Yeah,
we
they're
got it.
dead.
We got
They're
it.
Level 15. No hits
no.
taken.
No, it's
oh,
taken.
wait. No hits taken. Yeah, you even have full mana. Didn't use any of my mana either.
Yeah, same.
Forgot I had this.
Let me drink this real quick.